Second test of the Maxxter Bodycam. Perhaps it can be used as a surveillance camera. I've talked about it in the earlier video. You see the blue LED now. That means that the camera takes current. I also see here a few, I think, infrared LEDs, but anyway, could be that it works on a short distance with my camera. I didn't see that earlier because perhaps I couldn't get it working. Anyway, let's wait and see. And to remember the whole circuit, this is that power supply working on 12 volts, working here with a blue LED that indicates that current is flowing. The current that is flowing is now in the order of 150 milliampere, going to the 7805 stabilizer. It gives out 5 volts. Of course, the voltage is dropped somewhat to with say 0.7 volts or 0.8 volts due to the silicon diode, and then it goes to the camera where the lithium-ion batteries are completely removed. That's important. You cannot say charge lithium-ion batteries in this very simple way. It could give a danger. Anyway, don't do that. So, bend over somewhat more here. Let's look whether this circuit can constantly take up pictures in the dark or in the light, etc. Thanks for watching.